What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to yet another Hunt's First Look video. My name is Josh, and today I'm looking at the latest camera from Fujifilm, the X-T5. The X-T5 is the latest in their X-T lineup, sporting a 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5 CMOS sensor. This camera is smaller and lighter than its predecessor, weighing 50 grams less than the X-T4. Fujifilm is keeping their classic design that we've all come to know and love with their dials and tactile sensation. This camera is highly functional for both photographers and videographers, providing many impressive specs. For stills, photographers can shoot up to 15 frames per second using the X-T5's mechanical shutter and utilize Fujifilm's pixel shift multi-shot technology to create images up to an astounding 160 megapixels. You also have the ability to shoot at shutter speeds up to 1/180,000th of a second while using their electronic shutter. For any videographers out there, you do have access to shooting an Apple ProRes RAW and Blackmagic RAW. You also have up to 13 stops of dynamic range utilizing Fuji's F-Log 2 picture profile and can shoot up to 6K 30p and 10-bit 422 video. Overall, this camera is definitely a solid upgrade to their X-T lineup for both photographers and videographers. These are just a few of the many incredible features and specs to look forward to on the brand new Fujifilm X-T5. Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's First Look video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about the Fujifilm X-T5 or anything else camera related, please do not hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, DM us on one of our socials, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.